Thanks and welcome back to Always Be Learning. Today we're going to be cleaning a glass door that has a very sticky film on it. This door is pretty old and I think this window sticker covering has been on it since the beginning. So we have a lot of sticker and sticky film to remove and I want to show you the process that I went through to clean this door up. So let's get started. The first step was to use a scraper to get the majority of the sticker off the glass. The sticker was pretty stuck on in some places and quite difficult to remove. I found that soaking a paper towel and applying it to the sticker and letting it soak there for about 10 minutes really helped loosen things up. After scraping all the sticker from the door, I then used Methyl Hydrate to remove the sticky residue from the glass. I found Methyl Hydrate at my local hardware store, and you should be able to find it at places like Home Depot. In terms of the amount you need, you don't really need much at all. I would say I used less than 100 milliliters to do this job. It should be noted that methyl hydrate is flammable, so be careful not to spill it and certainly keep it away from flames or sparks. Another option for you to use is a product such as Gooby Gone, which I haven't used but I've heard that it does the same thing and contains similar ingredients. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you're applying the product. Get a sponge and apply it to the areas that you want to clean on the glass. You'll find it does a great job of quickly removing the residue. After I got off all the residue from the glass, I simply wiped it down again with a damp paper towel and then dried it with another paper towel. As you can see, this got rid of all the residue, and in the end, I had a clean glass door. I don't have a video of the door before we started cleaning, but I do have a picture of it. As you can see, through this process, we're able to get the glass door completely clean. I hope you found this helpful. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video, as that really helps our channel. Thank you, and we'll catch you next time.